might have a problem. I have really gotten into amigurumi lately, and today I'm going to show you my newest amigurumi haul. And I'm also going to tell you which one I'm going to start first and why. Stay tuned. Well, I tell you, the last couple of months I have really been on an amigurumi learning kick. Well, I think it first started out with the free nativity that I saw on the Shapiest website. I'll put a link up somewhere. After all these years, I'm still confused where to point. And that was so fun because I learned some tips that really helped me understand how to make a good amigurumi. So then, let's see, recently I've done some cute little amigurumi animals, testing out different kits like the Woobles and a couple of other kits I found on Amazon, and I'll link that in there somewhere. I did a review on those. And so I went to the Hirschner's website and saw this adorable frog, like the Frog King or Frog Prince. Isn't he cute? This is made by all. I don't really understand that. And it's the amigurumi frog. Look at his cute little crown. I can't wait to start this one. He's adorable. It's a little bit pricey, kind of like the Woobles, about $30. But I bet you get a little bit more in this, a little bit more stuff. I'll do a little review later. But this I got at Hirschner's. And I can't wait to start him. There were 3 other ones, a cat and a little bear. And I can't remember what the 4th one was, but I think eventually I'll get them all. Because I've got grandchildren that I can give them to. And that just makes it even so much more fun. Okay, then I was at Michael's a few days ago. And I saw the cutest amigurumi book where you can make these tiny animals and make them into keychains. Yeah. So I thought, wow, this is adorable. And I almost bought it right then and there. But I noticed on the back, the price is $19.95. And I really didn't want to pay $20 for the book. So in the store, I think I was in the store. I actually looked up in the store on Amazon and I could get it for $14.95. So that is what I ended up doing, but I had something else saved in my cart. I'm going to show you that in a minute. But this is adorable. Mini Amigurumi Made Easy by, Marissa Voss Bullman. Okay, now look at this. They're beautiful pictures and a lot of great how-to. See the how-to videos, pictures, a lot of great pictures of how to make all these cute little animals. They're so precious. I can't wait. And I'm thinking if these go fast, if they're fast and easy to make, I may make several for piano students and put in the prize box. Because when they get 20 stickers, they can pick a prize. And a cute amigurumi keychain would be a lot better than all the candy that's in my prize box. But they are just so adorable. Oh, isn't they cute? The toucan. I saw a sweet little, where is he? He is, it is a sloth in here somewhere. Look at that. Look at the sloth and the little birdies. Isn't he cute? I love sloths. So this was, I can't wait to start these. I've got a lot, this would be perfect for your yarn stash, bits and pieces of yarn that we've saved over the years, and like, what am I going to do with this? But I just can't throw it away. So I really think I can't wait to do this one. But what I had saved in my cart on Amazon was this cute little cookie box. Isn't he adorable? So I saw another review of him, and I thought, well, that's adorable. It's like, you know, a cookie tin. So I can't wait to review this and make this. And I will, he's a little tiger. And I'll show you that sometime soon. Then, Peter Rabbit. Isn't he precious? Well, let me tell you about this. Because as I was browsing through, I guess scrolling through maybe YouTube, I'm not even sure, I saw some bunnies and I thought, Peter Rabbit, that would be so great. So I looked on different websites. I knew I had seen bunnies somewhere. Also, my daughter-in-law and my son are going to decorate their new baby's bedroom with forest animals. And that made me think of Peter Rabbit. So then I went on a search on YouTube, Google, and looking for a crocheted Peter Rabbit and friends. And finally, after I saw several that just didn't click in my mind, it wasn't it. I finally came across this one video of a lady. I will find the video and link it to you. But anyway, someone had given her this booklet of how to do Peter Rabbit and friends, and she made him, and I thought, that is it. That is so adorable. This Peter Rabbit pattern is from Simply Crochet in 2020. This was like a supplemental insert into their magazine. Well, I went and to Ravelry, and I couldn't find it. I found the issue 95 of Simply Crochet, but the supplement was not in there. And it was more expensive than I wanted to pay. So then I went to, I don't know, did I go to Amazon or eBay? I can't remember. I think I even went to Etsy, and I couldn't find it. So then I thought, don't I have an app for Simply Crochet? Yes, you can. They have an app. You can just download it. I'm pretty sure it's free. If I can remember, I'll put that in the description. But I looked, I got had to re-download the app, and I did a search, and I found issue 95, and it had the supplemental Peter Rabbit. So I was able to buy that issue for half the price, I think $5, $5.99. And so then I downloaded the issue, and there was Peter Rabbit, and he's the first one I want to do. So I went ahead and printed him off. I can't wait to make him. He's so adorable. Let's see if there is. I don't think there's a finished. Anyway, here's some carrots he's holding. See his cottontail? So anyway, that's my haul. What do you think I should do first? I just don't know. Actually, you know what I think I'll do? I think I'm going to I'm going to learn how to make keychains. I think that'll be the greatest thing. I can give one to all my grandkids and put them in my piano prize box. Which one do you like best? The Amigurumi book? The cookie box? Little tiger? Peter Rabbit? Or the Amigurumi frog? Or are you like me and you can't even decide? And so you end up feeding your habit and buying too many. Anyway, okay. Well, thanks for watching and commiserating with me. And put in the comments what you think I should do first and which one you like the best. And if you've made any of them, I'd like to know. So I'm Dana with Nellie DC Crochet. See you next time. Bye-bye.